Looking to accelerate your open source data and analytics processing? Give me 1 minute and I'll show you how with Cloud Dataproc. Dataproc is a managed service for running OSS jobs that support big data processing, including ETL and machine learning. It provides out-of-the-box support for the most popular open source software. You can use Dataproc to move your on-premise OSS clusters to the cloud to maximize efficiency and enable scale. Or use it with Cloud AI Notebooks or BigQuery to build an end-to-end data science environment. With Dataproc, you can spin up an IT-governed auto-scaling cluster in just 90 seconds. It manages the cluster creation, monitoring, and job orchestration for you. Start by creating a cluster through the Web UI, Cloud SDK, REST APIs, or with SSH access. Once your cluster is provisioned, you can submit jobs in your open source framework of choice. Scale your cluster up or down at any time, even when jobs are running, and you'll pay only for what you use down to the second. So next time you're looking to simplify your data and analytics processing, take a minute to look at Dataproc. To learn more, check out cloud.google.com/Dataproc.